Today is September 12th. I am Vicky.
I'm Monkai.
I'm Itsuki.
And this is
Simon Says!
We had a great time in both our academic skills workshop and conversation club. Also, there were a lot of games on Friday. What games did you play? What are you guys playing?
Uno!
So, who is the winner so far?
Beta. He's back for.
Thank you.
Can you guess where I am? I'm in classroom AB on the second floor. This is where we're going to be holding more workshops this week. Our theme is international students, so It's been great to meet some of you from Mexico, Indonesia, China, Japan, and other countries. This week, on Monday and Wednesday, I'll be offering an academic skills workshop where we'll work on reading, writing, and grammar. So choose one. You can come Monday or Wednesday. If you really like it and there's space, you can come both days. On Tuesday and Thursday, we'll be running Conversation Club. Now again, you can come Tuesday or Thursday, and if space allows, you can come both times. We'll be talking about the same things, but with different people. And when we're learning English, it's always good to have more chances to practice. On Friday, we're going to be taking a trip to main campus. We'll go to the International Student Services, or ISS, for a short tour. So if you're interested, sign up, because we only have space for 50 students. I hope you have a great week.
Our EOS Kahoot Cup is happening every Wednesday during the break time. The goal is to help your teachers to win the cup at the end of the term. Margie was the winner in the summer. Can anyone beat him this term?
A big thank you to Tim Hortons for providing 50 Timbits and 12 donuts this summer. Did you know that there's a Tim Hortons a few minutes away from Enterprise Square? Visit the location on Jasper Ave and 102nd Street.
And this was Simon Says!